Hey there, I'm Jen. As the different parts of me are integrating into Jen Incorporated, I feel like I am a multi-pointed star-shaped Rubik's cubes. And that said, I feel like the other people around me are also multi-dimensional, multi-pointed star-shaped Rubik's cubes, and those that are their highest consciousness are facing me are with me here now. The ones that feel like they do not have a soul, I believe that they still do have their soul. It's just maybe that their highest consciousness is somewhere else. And yeah, maybe it's not on any one of these worlds on this earth, but I don't know that. With me seeing dead people and fairies and non-terrestrials, I mean, who knows how far this incorporated selves go. So I don't know where some of these people are, but I do believe that we each and all have a soul. And I love all of yous.